How to fix TikTok sound removed. So if you want to fix TikTok sound removed problem, then what you need to do is first open up your TikTok application. Tap and open up your TikTok application. Once you've opened, you can go for the profile, and here you will have your TikTok videos, right? So if you have an option of TikTok videos removed or TikTok sound removed from your TikTok, then what you need to do is simply download that TikTok, download that particular TikTok, and you will have the video or the sound. So even after downloading, if you don't have any sound to that video, then what you need to do is simply re-upload the TikTok. So go for the plus, which is on the bottom of your screen. Here you can simply go for upload, which is on the bottom right, and then you can choose a video and tap on next. And once you're here, you can again go for the next, which is on the bottom right, and try to re-upload your video. And once you've re-uploaded, now your problem will be fixed. And once you've re-uploaded, make sure to delete the previous video. So once you've re-uploaded, your problem will be fixed. But even after re-uploading, if your problem still doesn't fix, then what you need to do is you need to simply remove that TikTok, and then you can go for your Play Store or your App Store. So open up your Play Store, go for the search, and then search for TikTok. Once you search for TikTok, now here you will have the application. So if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you need to simply go for update and update your application. And once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix your TikTok sound remote problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.